To burst.
Burst, burst, burst.
Burst means break suddenly due to internal pressure.
These balloons burst because of the heat.
She has a very good reason for bursting out laughing.
A pipe burst in our bathroom last week. He tried to fix it.
It is not the first time a pipe has burst at our place.
Next time a pipe bursts, just tell me and I will fix it. I often burst out laughing because of his handyman skills. I told him to call me if a pipe bursts.
Pipes often burst at our place and I try to fix them myself.
I can't keep a straight face and keep bursting out laughing.